Hola mis amigos, bienvenidos al nuevo episodio de Spanish in 6. Welcome to another episode of Spanish in 6. Today we are at my alma mater, the University of the West Indies. Now today we are going to be learning about the family, la familia. Stay tuned, this is Spanish in 6. On today's episode, we are going to be looking at the members of the family, los miembros de la familia, and also we are going to learn the names of our favorite family members in Spanish. But first, let's jump right into our Did You Know feature.
The University of the West Indies was once a plantation and also housed refugees during World War II.
Okay, great. Now, we all know in English the names of our family members, well, the titles such as father, mother, sister, brother, daughter, aunt, grandmother, grandfather, and many others. But today, we will be learning a few of them in Spanish. So the next time you address your mother and your father, you can actually use the Spanish word. Ready? Let's go. So for father, in Spanish, we say padre. Padre means father. Also, interchangeably, we have the word papa. Now both mean father. You can use anyone you choose, but in various Spanish-speaking countries, different persons use either of the two. Okay? So for the next word, it's mother. Now mother is similar to father, but it is madre. Madre means mother. Also, you have mama, and mama can mean madre as well. Okay? Great. Now, for brother, it is hermano. Hermano means brother. And if you have a younger brother, it's hermano menor, younger brother. An older brother is hermano mayor. Okay? Now for the word sister, it is also similar to brother. We only change the O at the end of hermano to an A for female. Hermano. Okay, continuing with the names. Now we all have that favorite auntie, that favorite uncle, or our grandmothers and our grandfathers. Now the word for uncle is tío. Tío. Repeat after me. Tío. Tío means uncle. Now the word for aunt is close to the word for uncle, and we just drop the O in tío and add A for the female. Tía is aunt. Tía. Repeat after me. Tía. Now for grandma, it is abuela. Yes, we all have that grandmother that can cook so well, or that grandmother that is so caring and loving with the children. So the next time you see your grandmother or someone else's grandmother, you can say abuela. Okay? Now grandfather is similar. So in order to get grandfather, we drop the A and we add the O at the end. So it's abuelo. Okay? So in Spanish, we have male and female words. So the next time you remember to say abuelo or abuela, you can make the distinction just to make sure that you don't mix up the names. Okay? Now we have daughter and son, and the same principle goes for both. Hijo is for son. Repeat after me. Hijo. And we have hija for daughter. Okay? So those fathers and mothers, now you know how to say daughter and son in Spanish. Okay? Now we all have cousins. Well, most of us. But the word for cousin, both male and female, primo, cousin. Primo. Okay? And prima for girl cousin. So the next time you address your cousins, you can use the Spanish word. Okay? Great. Great. Now we can learn how to address ourselves in Spanish. Girl, boy, woman, man. Okay? So to say girl in Spanish is muchacha. Now there are other words you can use for girl, like chica, but both are interchangeable. Okay? Repeat after me. Muchacha. Muchacha. Okay? And the word for boy is muchacho. Okay? Repeat after me. Muchacho. Now, if you're a man, strong man, we say hombre. Okay? Repeat after me. Hombre. And hombre means man. Now, for woman, we say mujer. And that is spelled M-U-J-E-R. Remember we said that the J is pronounced as an H? Mujer. Okay? Repeat after me. Mujer. Now, today's word for the day is hogar. Repeat after me. Hogar. And hogar means home, since we're learning about the family today. Okay? Now, this has brought us to the end of our video, our episode. We don't have time to mention all the details about the family in one video. This is a 6-minute video after all. But stay tuned to a next episode where we'll continue with the family. Este es Español en 6 minutos.